Hey guys, what's up? My name is Orlando, and today I'm doing a toy review, and I'm going to show you what I got. Yeah, I got this from eBay from the other day, and that is, yeah, Mario Connect Super Mario Kart. Oh wait, is it Super Mario Kart? Oh no, it's Mario Kart. Yeah, I got this from eBay from the other day, so it came with Mario and his cart, and I built it. And I have to say, I didn't. This looks very cool, even awesome too. And yeah, here it is. The sticker is a little flimsy. All right, so yeah, here it is. Oh, yeah, except for the sticker part right here, the line right here, I can't even find. Yeah, I can't find it anywhere. It also it comes with the banana power up. I don't know where it is. It's around here somewhere. I don't know where it is, but yeah, here it is. Yeah, this thing is like really cool. So, anyways, here is Mario right here. So you can move the head, his body. Oh wait, can you? Oh wait, let's just move his arm. Yeah, you can move the arms and his hands, his legs, and also his legs are a little loose. And here is okay. You can move the body. All right, so here's his card. So I'm gonna put it in here. Oh, wait, his hands is falling off. All right. No, it's. Alright, I'm gonna put him on this. Alright, so here he is inside his cart. And wow, yeah, he does look cool inside his cart. I don't know, so I'm gonna show you the instructions that I built. Okay. Yeah, here it is, right here. Yeah, so this is how you build him. Yeah, it's the banana right there that I can't find. And also there's more. So there's Mario on a motorcycle, Luigi on a motorcycle, and his own cart, and Yoshi his own cart too. And then next, oh, let's see. Yeah, have to build it right here. Actually, let me just do it like this. There we go. No, was he? Sorry, wrong one. Here's the sticker one. Alright, so now that I show you the instructions. I have to save him in here inside this bag, so that way I don't lose any parts or anything. So yeah. Yeah, and also this one has a pullback feature. Let me just oh, wait. Oh wait. I think I got it. Oh wait, actually, let me just move his. Let me just move his body right here. Oh, okay. Oh shoot. Okay, I gotta be careful because I don't want to break this. I just check the parts, like nothing goes off. Okay, let me try to get this. Where's the pullback? Oh, there it is. Okay, give me a second. Okay, there we go. Oh, wait. Okay. I'm gonna make sure don't break this apart, because wait, I think I got it. Yeah, so there it goes, like that. So yeah, this looks very cool, and plus, it looks very cool inside this card. Yeah, alright, let's take him out. There we are. And put it back to his body. Yeah, here he is, back to his body. I guess you could try, like, make him, like, like, let me just show like this. Like, make him sit down like this, like he's actually drying, but I'd rather not do that because I just build this and I don't want to take out the parts or lose the parts or anything. So, yeah, I'd rather not do that, and I don't want to do that. And, yeah, I have to say, this is like a coolest connects figures I ever seen before. Yeah. Really, very cool. So anyways, I think that's all for today here, so for this tour review. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, ring that bell, and please subscribe. And I'll try my best to find some more of one of these right here, so please subscribe again, and peace out, you guys.